Hello everybody, my name is Shannon and this is my first video on my channel, Our Crafty Dreams. I was inspired to make some videos by Lilly at Crafting with Lilly and by Fina over there. So today I'm just going to share some embellishments that I've made. These were made with the Echopark Hello Spring and Hello Easter kits. I used a digital kit. This one I did some little drawing and stitching around the edges with the black pen. I typed out these little words myself and printed them. This cute mason jar was from the Close to My Heart. They're crickets cartridges. This little heart is an old Creative Memories punch. I put the little blue doily down there, and this flower is Paper Studios from Hobby Lobby. Another doily. These little hearts, I believe, are also Paper Studios from Hobby Lobby. You know, let me know if there's anything else that you would like to see, any other kind of videos, like actually making projects. Like how I made these embellishments. This is a shaker that I made with the fuse tool. And I also attempted for the first time yesterday when I made this to sew. Yeah, it's a little messed up, but for the first time I think it's okay. I really enjoy making all these embellishments. And I actually would like to put some up for sale. Not all of these would be for sale because I only got the commercial license for the Hello Easter kit, but I did not get it for the Hello Spring, so I won't be able to sell the items that have Hello Spring items in them. There's a focus. Okay, well that's what I have for you today for my first video. Like I said, let me know if there's any other kind of videos you'd like to see. Over on Crafting with Lilly, she has a Wifey Wednesday, which I really like, and I was thinking maybe I could get my husband to try to do a little crafting and put it on video and see how funny that would be. Well, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.